The following is a video demonstration of MaxMail by Maximus Data Company. MaxMail is a fully managed electronic message monitoring, archiving, and e-discovery service specifically designed to provide peace of mind to your company. The service is engineered to archive all inbound, outbound, and internally shared emails and associated attachments in a read-only format in a SAS 70 compliant data center. MaxMail will provide your business a disaster recovery platform while assisting you to more efficiently manage message archiving, compliance, security, and storage. Our archiving allows your company to quickly and inexpensively respond to audits, e-discovery requests, and general email searching. Our surveillance allows you to automate the real-time searching of email for keywords and phrases by using policy-based lexicons that we provide or that you can create. By clicking on the Home tab, you can quickly view the emails that have violated your policies. The red lettering highlights the policies that have been violated. The words in parentheses are the words or phrases that triggered the policy violation notification. If you click on any of these emails, you will see that you can view the entire message and even open any attachments. If the message appears harmless, you can click the Approve button to approve the message and return to the home page, or the Approve Next button to approve the message and move forward to the next unreviewed email with a violation. You can also click on the Notes box at the bottom of the screen to type any administrative notes regarding this specific email. For instance, you could type in a note about how this email is being forwarded to the Human Resources Department for further review. These notes remain with the email in the archive, but they do not alter the original email in any way, and these notes do not get exported when you export files for audits, e-discovery, or general archive search exports. While we are discussing exports, let's open the Search tab so you can see the various options available for searching the archive. On this page, you can type in words that you are interested in finding in the subject, body, or attachment. If you are searching social media, you can even choose the Statuses box. You can search by sender, recipient, and date range. If you click on the Advanced Search link, you can see additional search options. These advanced search options include the ability to search by group, direction of email, inbound, internal, and/or outbound, and more. Once the search criteria is established, you can choose the Search Result Limit drop-down menu to set how many emails you want the search limited to. You can also establish the number of results per page so you can view 20 or 2,500 without having to go to the next page. After clicking on the Search button, you will receive your search results. You can easily view the contents of an email along with any attachments. From here, you can also forward the email. Back on the Search Results page, you can click the Download All Results button or the Download Selected button to export all or selected messages to a zip file. This zip file can then be forwarded via email or burned to a disk for your auditor, in-house counsel, or whoever requires the search. The Search tab is how you will interact with the archive. To manage the surveillance or monitoring, first click on the Policies tab to see what policies have been established. When you sign up for our service, we give you 20 predefined policies made up of words and phrases and categorized into the various policies like harassment, Sarbanes-Oxley, customer churn, etc. If you click on the Rules link under Customer Churn, you will see words or phrases that you might want to scrutinize, like cancel my service or defective. If any of the words in our predefined policies are not applicable to your business, you can disable any rule by clicking on the green check mark, which will disable, then gray out the rule. You can also add rules by clicking on the Add Rule link above the policies. Here you can add any word or phrase that you want to look for. This phrase will be listed under the policy that you have chosen, so if you apply the policy to a user or group, then this word will be flagged for your review if it occurs in that user's email. The Groups tab along the top will take you to the area where you can assign policies to various groups. For instance, you may want your accounting and finance group to monitor for Sarbanes-Oxley violations, things like adjust commissions or off-balance sheet accounting. However, those phrases may not matter to you if they occur in your branch office, so they would not be subject to that specific policy. If you are using Microsoft Exchange, these groups can be synced to your Active Directory via a read-only account that you can set up. If you click on the Users tab, you can see a list of users. This list can be pulled using our LDAP connector for your Exchange, GroupWise, Lotus Domino, Postfix, or other email server that supports LDAP. You can also manually add users and their aliases. If you click on a user name, you can manage their aliases, allow them to be designated as a self-reviewer so they can access an archive of only their emails. You can also scroll down to manage which policies are applied to that user. You can assign the user to different groups or make them a group reviewer or group administrator for any group, which would give them permissions to view email from that specific group or groups. If we click on the Reports tab, then click on the drop-down menu for Report Type, you can see the various reports that are available to help you more efficiently comply with audits, investigations, or general business requirements. If we click on the flagged message report email, then select Create Report, we see all of the emails that have violated your policies, when and if they were reviewed, by whom, and any notes that person made. If we click on the Login Audit Report, we can see who logged in, when, and from what IP address. All of our reports are exportable to Excel, so you can put them into a management reporting package or review the data offline. Lastly, we can click on the config, which shows our connection information, including which port you choose to let us access email through. That is, if we are not in the flow of email, and any username or password that we need for your Exchange journal or similar repository. This is also where you would configure downloads for Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Bloomberg Mail, or Bloomberg Messaging. This concludes our video demo. To learn more about the value that MaxMail can deliver to your business or to request pricing information, please contact us at sales@maximusdata.com or call us at 1-877-452-1144.